Hello guys, I am Anwar. Today I'm sharing with you how to become professional video editor using Adobe After Effects. Do you interested to study Adobe After Effects? I can describe Adobe After Effects is a software application that you can edit any video with visual effects for creating motions, graphics, special illumination, online content, and presentations. This course I will be starting 25 May 2019 is a free course. I will be upload day after day my YouTube channel. You can visit and watch it for beneficial video of you from basic to advanced. I'm sure you will be enjoyable during studying this course about 3 weeks. Finally, I'm saying good luck guys.